Welcome back to another iDaily Buzz special. Today, we are talking about Cursor AI. Cursor AI is built as an enhanced version of Visual Studio Code or VS Code, a platform that many developers know and love. But what makes Cursor different is its deep integration of AI tools designed to boost productivity and streamline the coding process. With Cursor, as you write, it offers smart suggestions tailored to the specific code you're working on. This feature, called Copilot++, can recommend not just simple fixes but entire blocks of code, all based on the project context. This saves you time and reduces mistakes. Let's look at some key features that make Cursor AI stand out. First up, we have Copilot++. With Copilot++, developers can accelerate their coding process, minimize errors, and maintain a consistent style and structure across the entire codebase. It's particularly useful for developers working on complex or large-scale projects, where it's essential to write efficient and cohesive code without spending excessive time on every small detail. In summary, Copilot++ in Cursor AI extends GitHub Copilot's capabilities with a stronger focus on contextual understanding, more substantial code suggestions, and broader framework support, making it a robust tool for advanced coding tasks. Next, there's the Coder-based chat feature. The Coder-based chat feature in Cursor AI is designed to act as an intelligent assistant that developers can talk to directly within their code editor. This feature enables developers to interact with their code base conversationally, making it easier to get insights about the code, understand complex logic, and manage larger code projects effectively. The primary benefit of Coder-based chat is that it saves time by providing quick, contextually accurate answers to coding questions. This eliminates the need for repetitive searching or scrolling, particularly in large code bases. For newcomers to a project or developers working with inherited code, it significantly reduces the learning curve by providing on-demand information directly within the editor. In short, Cursor AI's Coder-based chat is like having a knowledgeable assistant within your coding environment, helping to answer questions, improve navigation, and streamline understanding for faster, more efficient coding. Another standout feature is auto-debugging. The auto-debugging feature in Cursor AI is an advanced tool that helps developers identify, understand, and fix coding errors faster and more effectively. By using AI to actively monitor and analyze code, this feature detects errors in real time and offers developers contextual explanations and suggested fixes. Auto-debugging minimizes manual debugging time, enabling developers to resolve issues quickly and streamline their coding process. By catching errors early and recommending best practice solutions, this feature helps maintain high standards of code quality. For less experienced developers, auto-debugging acts as a valuable learning resource, providing insights into common errors and their solutions, thereby enhancing coding skills over time. In short, Cursor AI's auto-debugging function acts like a real-time assistant, catching and correcting issues as you code. It's an invaluable tool for improving productivity, minimizing bugs, and maintaining a smooth development process. What's powerful about Cursor is that it can spot optimization opportunities based on best practices and patterns it has learned from analyzing vast amounts of code. It can even highlight parts of your code that could be causing performance issues. Imagine you have a piece of code that's slowing down your app. Cursor can identify this and suggest optimizations to make it faster, which can be a huge time saver, especially in large projects where performance really matters. Cursor AI's automatic refactoring feature is designed to help developers tackle this by scanning your code and suggesting improvements on the fly. Let's say you've written a function that's a little verbose or could be simplified. Cursor might suggest a shorter, more efficient way to write it or remove redundant code. For example, it might identify repeated logic and recommend a more modular approach, or suggest replacing nested loops with more efficient alternatives. This can save both time and processing power in the long run. One thing to keep in mind though is that Cursor's suggestions are based on general patterns and learned data. It doesn't know the unique goals or edge cases of your specific project. So while it can make great suggestions, it's always a good idea to review them to make sure they fit your project's requirements. In short, Cursor AI's automatic refactoring and optimization tools make it an invaluable coding assistant, especially if you're working on a tight schedule or large codebase. It gives you the chance to keep your code lean and efficient without the hassle of manually reviewing every line, so you can focus on building new features and delivering a better product. Finally, the integration of Cursor AI with development environments. It allows for a streamlined coding experience by embedding its powerful features directly into popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ IDEA. This means developers can access real-time coding assistance, such as auto-completion and error detection, without needing to switch between different applications. Cursor AI analyzes the code contextually, offering tailored suggestions based on the specific programming language and framework being used. This enhances productivity by enabling developers to focus on writing code rather than looking up syntax or common functions. Additionally, the integration supports customization, allowing users to adjust settings and enable or disable specific features based on their project needs. Moreover, for teams working collaboratively, Cursor AI's integration fosters communication by allowing members to share and discuss code snippets in real time. Overall, this seamless integration improves the coding workflow, reduces errors, and ultimately helps developers produce higher quality code more efficiently. Cursor AI is ideal for various users. If you're a software developer, it automates repetitive tasks and speeds up development. For beginners, it's a great way to learn coding with instant feedback and explanations. And if you're tackling a complex project, the coder-based chat feature can be a lifesaver. So what's the cost of using Cursor AI? Cursor AI offers a variety of pricing options to cater to different needs and budgets. First is a free tier that provides basic features, making it an excellent choice for individual developers who want to explore the tool without any financial commitment. This allows users to get a feel for the platform's capabilities and determine if it suits their workflow. For those looking for more advanced functionalities, there's a Pro plan priced at $16 per month. This plan includes additional features that enhance productivity, making it ideal for freelance developers or small teams who require more robust tools without breaking the bank. Lastly, for larger teams or businesses that prioritize collaboration and efficiency, Cursor AI offers a business plan at $32 per month. This plan is specifically designed to facilitate teamwork, providing features that support group projects and collaborative efforts, ensuring that teams can work seamlessly together. This tiered pricing structure not only makes Cursor AI accessible to individual developers, but also provides scalability for larger organizations. Whether you're just starting or managing a team of developers, Cursor AI has options that can fit various project sizes and budgets, making it a flexible choice in the market of coding assistance tools. As we wrap up our exploration of Cursor AI, it's clear that this innovative tool is designed to enhance the coding experience for developers of all levels. With its seamless integration into popular development environments like Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ IDEA, Cursor AI brings advanced features like real-time code suggestions, auto-completion, and error detection right to your fingertips. This contextual assistance helps streamline the coding process, allowing developers to focus on writing high-quality code without the need to switch between applications. Additionally, the customization options enable users to tailor the tool to their specific needs, whether they're working solo or as part of a team. For teams, Cursor AI promotes collaboration by allowing members to share code snippets and receive feedback in real time, making it a valuable asset for any development project. By reducing the time spent on manual debugging and improving overall code quality, Cursor AI empowers developers to work more efficiently and effectively. If you're interested in trying Cursor AI yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.